Succulent enthusiasts often find themselves captivated by the sheer diversity and uniqueness of these extraordinary plants. While commonly seen varieties like Echeverias and Sempervivums are undoubtedly beautiful, seasoned collectors yearn for something more exclusive to add to their collection. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of rare and unusual succulent that can enthrall even the most experienced collectors. Number 1. Titanopsis species. These small rock-like succulents from South Africa have fascinating textures and are often called living stone because they resemble pebbles. Number 2. Lithops. Lithops are another group of South African succulents known as living stones. They have unique leaf structures that help them mimic stones, making them challenging to spot in their natural habitat. Stapelia species. These succulents produce unusual star-shaped flowers that often emit a foul odor to attract flies for pollination. Their unique appearance and scent make them intriguing to collectors. Conophytum species. Conophytum are tiny, globular succulents that grow in rocky crevices. They come in a wide range of colors and patterns and are prized for their intricate beauty. Ariocarpus species, native to North America. Ariocarpus are small, slow-growing cacti with unusual tubercles. Some species are highly sought after by collectors. Astrophytum asterias or super cabuto. This cactus is known for its striking appearance, featuring white flecking on its green body resembling stars. It's a sought-after mutation of the more common Astrophytum asteria. Haworthia cooperi var truncata, a rare variant of the popular Haworthia cooperi. This succulent has translucent windows at the tips of its leaves, allowing light to penetrate deep into the plant. Dorstenia species. Dorstenias are unique succulents that often grow underground, with their unusual flowers emerging on long stalks above the soil. They come in various shapes and sizes. Adenia pechuelii. This African succulent is known for its thick, bottle-like stem and bright green leaves. It's a unique addition to any collection. Tylecodon species. These South African succulents are closely related to Tylecodon and have unusual, often tabular, leaves that make them stand out in a collection. Frithia pulchra, known as the fairy elephant feet. This South African succulent forms small clumps of thick, fleshy leaves that resemble elephant feet. It's relatively rare in cultivation. And last but not the least is Amorphophallus titanium. While not a traditional succulent, the corpse flower is a rare and unusual plant known for its massive, foul-smelling inflorescence. It's a challenging plant to cultivate due to its size and unique requirements. The world of rare and unusual succulent species is a treasure trove for experienced collectors. From living stone that mimic nature's pebbles to succulent with foul-smelling flowers designed to deceive, and from miniature gems to North American wonders, there's a captivating world waiting to be explored by succulent enthusiasts. These unique species are more than just plants. They are living works of art that inspire, awe, and wonder, making them the crown jewels of any succulent collection. So whether you're an experienced collector or just beginning your succulent journey, consider adding some of these rare and unusual species to your collection. They will undoubtedly elevate your passion to these extraordinary plants to new heights. Remember, when collecting rare and unusual succulent species, it is essential to research their specific care requirements, as they may differ significantly from more common succulents. Additionally, some of these species may be legally protected or subject to regulations, so always ensure you're acquiring them responsibly and legally. And that's it for today. And if you like this kind of video, watch the videos I compiled in my Succulent Beginners playlist. Please do not forget to subscribe and ask questions or leave a comment below so I can create good content from your specific inquiry. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.